Siraj from India. Siraj.
Assalamualaikum.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
My wife has a doubt that whether it's permissible to wear only an abaya as long as it's opaque and loose fitting, or if it's necessary to wear it over other clothing like a salwar kameez. This question isn't just about prayer, but more generally whether at home, outside, like that. I am asking on her behalf.
So she is confused whether wearing abaya alone without anything underneath? Siraj?
Yes.
Okay, this can be applicable in a woman's home, because an abaya that is oblique, that is black, that won't disclose any of her body features or curves or bone structure. However, wearing this outside the house, the slightest wind would shape her body and would be visible for everyone that she's not wearing anything underneath, and that is not appropriate or permissible at all. She has to wear something underneath. And even the old women in our families, in their homes, they wear underneath their skirts always a leggings or a underpants that are long, covering their thighs, even when they go out, even if they're in their homes. When they go out and their children and grandchildren ask them, why are you wearing so much where the abaya is concealing all of your body? The grandmas usually say, what happens if there's an accident or I fall or a trip and I get exposed? A decent woman is always taking care of her chastity like this.